If you're on YouTube for a very long time, or even if you're a beginner, but have watched one or two YouTube videos about YouTube growth, you would know that the watch hours gotten from shorts are not really valid. YouTube don't count it as a valid watch hour. So no matter the amount of short videos that you make, the hours that people watch that video doesn't really mean anything on YouTube. But I'm going to be showing you a way that you can post your shorts and your watch hours would mean something. If this is a video that you like to watch, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me tell you the secrets on how you can do it. First of all, there are advantages and disadvantages of these shorts, uploading shorts. And the first thing I would like to tell you is to make sure that you use your own short videos. Don't go ahead copying from other sites and uploading. No, YouTube would hold you responsible and they would sanction you, which is not something that we would like to experience. So I would advise you, don't use somebody else's shorts. Don't copy shorts from Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or even here on YouTube. Don't copy any of that. YouTube would count it as reused content. So you're going to be using your shorts, and I'm going to be telling you how to use your shorts. We are not going to be sitting down after shooting a long form video. We would sit down again to start shooting shorts. It is stressful, and all those things would make you burn out quickly, which is not something that we want as a YouTuber. So I'm going to be showing you the way that you can make your short videos from your long form videos. Go to your channel, and this is your channel. Okay, you're going to be choosing the video that you want to remix into shorts. If I want to remix this video into shorts, I'll click on it. And then I will look for remix down here. As you can see, there is no remix written down, which means that you turn the remix off yourself, right? What you have to do is to go back to this video, click on this three dot beside it, and then edit it. Once you click on edit, move down and you will see shorts remixing, and this video was set to don't allow remixing. That is why we cannot really turn it into short. But if you want to turn it into short, you're going to go here and you're going to allow remixing. Okay, and when you are done, you click on save. That is up here. You save this settings. Right now, go back to that particular video and you would see the difference. When I click on the video, as you can see, the remix is now out. So for those of us that are saying that they did not see remix, go ahead and edit that video and put it into allow remix. Now the remix is out. Let us remix the interesting part of this video. Click on remix, and it's going to tell you edit into a short and sound collab and the rest of that. Okay, but we want to turn it into a short, so we're going to be clicking on edit into a short. The people would view shorts to be, as you can see, it is now telling us that we can do shorts. Either you want it at 15 seconds or you change it to 60 seconds. It depends on you to know how long you want your shorts to be, right? So after choosing the most interesting part of your short, you have to know the layout. Either you leave it this way or you click on layouts down here. Once you click on layouts, you're going to be seeing something like right? this. So any other time, just be like separate times so that the next day you would know the one that went viral. Now mark that time. That time is a time that when you post, it will really go far. So when you are done with choosing the layouts, you can click on that continue that was written down there. So that is how you choose the style of how you want the video to appear. And that is a simple way of making shorts from your long form videos. So having learned how to make your short form videos from your long form videos, I want to teach you how to make your short form watch hours count, which is really the main topic of this video, making it count. And I'll be showing you how you can make it count and how YouTube will consider you and your watch hours. So if you choose the one that you want, rating it, there are people that still struggle with shorts in the sense that they don't even get views or subscribers from their shorts. And I understand because I was once in that shoe. When I was So when you are done choosing the one that you want, click on continue. In my other channel, when I was still operating it, I was posting. There are people that still struggle with shorts. So when you are done with this, you click on next. If you want to add any write-up or anything, you can click on the alphabet there, or you want to change in the sense that they don't even get views. Or so if you want to edit the video, you can. I'm just showing you how your watch hours will count. So we're going to be clicking on next. So when you click on next and you have added your write-ups, whatever you want as your write-up, maybe you say hashtag shorts, okay, you can change the thumbnail that you want, change the thumbnail to something that is beautiful enough, and you click on good. How you can change the thumbnail is by clicking on this pencil sign on top of this place. That is how you change the thumbnail of your shorts, right? So now what can make your watch hours valid? See where you have to click. Go and choose a related video. Okay, once you choose a related video and someone is watching your shorts, when they click that, they will be redirected to your long form content. Are you seeing this? It has been added. How to post YouTube shorts to go viral. And then when you send this out, when you send this video out, people would see your shorts and see this long form video. Okay, so if you have to upload the shorts right now, so when we click on the video, it has uploaded now. When we click on people that still you would see that there is created from Creative Care. When they click on this, they have been redirected to the main video. So that is how you can make your YouTube shorts count the watch hours, because when they come to this place and they watch anything from here, YouTube would count it as valid. So having shown you all of this, when you apply it, that is when your watch hours from shorts would count. But if you don't do it like this, I bet you YouTube would not consider your watch hours. YouTube would not pity you even if you have like 5,000 watch hours from shorts. So you have to do just this, and everything that you did would be counted as valid. If this is a video that you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye bye.